Hi, I'm Dr. Dana with Love Health. Today I'm excited to introduce the Inito Monitor, a convenient, accurate tool for anyone looking to track their hormones, whether for fertility or even for those considering bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. Inito tracks 4 important hormones: LH, estrogen, a progesterone metabolite, and FSH. This data gives you real-time insights on how your body's hormones are changing day to day. Using it is simple. Let's take a look. Inito comes with 2 boxes. The one box is for the fertility test strips, and then it comes with the fertility monitor. Take out a test strip, dip it in the urine for 15 seconds. Pull the cap off and put it onto the urine dipped end. Clip the monitor onto your phone and insert the non-urine dipped end into the monitor. Then you wait for results. For those considering bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, Inito offers an easy way to see how your hormone levels respond to treatments in real time, right from your own home. This makes monitoring hormone health more accessible and can help you and your provider make more informed decisions about your therapy. With Inito, there's no need to rely on intermittent blood tests. You can track your hormones regularly and see trends over time, taking control of your health journey with confidence. I love Inito so much that I contacted them to see if I could offer a discount to my patients, and they offered it to everyone. So please check out
the link in the description for my mom.
Okay. Inito was kind enough to offer a discount for my clinic, and I'm going to provide it to you in the description below.